Yes guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the head unit on a Volkswagen Multivan T5. This is a 2010 model, this kind of dash. And it's actually really simple, but at the same time really hard, because it was not straightforward. You need 4 stereo keys that fits this model. And those are going to be inserted right here. See, I have already loosened it, but I'm going to show you the process. So I went and bought a radio removal tool set with all different kinds of keys. And for the Volkswagen, there comes 4 keys looking like this. That's meant to fit in this one. And I've been struggling and struggling, fitting all 4 of these pins in here, in the top, and the same one in the bottom, and trying and wiggling, but it would not come out. And then I realized probably it's just my car, or it's similar for every other Multivan T5, but I needed actually someone who is a bit longer, at least in 2 of the holes. So in this set there are also some pins for the Skoda, and they were, as you can see, to compare, a bit longer. And I used the long ones in the bottom, pushing it all the way in, and I'm going to show you why afterwards. But when I did this, those 2 locks at the bottom were totally released, and I just had to push a little bit on the top, push these away from each other simultaneously while you push it out. And it's already loose now, but I'm going to show you why. So the mechanism is quite simple. You insert the key in the hole, and you look at this latch, it retracts, and then you push a little bit and it retracts more. But the problem is the one in the bottom didn't go as far. So then I found these long ones, and now it's not inside. I will insert it now, and just watch the latch going all the way in. Sorry, something happened. You do have to find the right spot, like that. And then it got free. So if you buy a tool set like this, use 2 of the long ones in 2 holes, and you'll get it out fast. It's easy, 2 minutes job. If you don't do it, you'll struggle for 2 hours.